Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Prince Glory, your regular host. On this video tutorial, I will be walking you through as an alternative to other animation video creator apps. This particular one is called Wideo App. Wideo App is one of those video creator that you can easily navigate to creating sales, educational, promotional, and other related videos. So you can use this as an alternative to Render Forest, or let's say whiteboard animation creator. So straight away, let's go launch Wideo App. If you don't have one, I would like you to visit your Play Store or your App Store to download Wideo App. I will show you right now how it looks like. Show you how it looks like. This is Wideo App. This is Wideo App. This particular one. So once you are able to install it, you just launch whiteboard animation video creator. Not now. I don't have that time to read. Besides, my data is not even on. So you can actually make use of this application without the use of that data. So my data is not on. So rating this is nothing. So this is Wideo, some of the features. So what you see on the screen, say you don't have any project files, tap this sign, that's this positive or plus sign, to create new. So it's very easy to use. So we'll be given instruction already. Don't need to think of any other thing. Since there are no projects, this one is not highlighted. This one, if you click on this one now, you see it's not clicking on anything. So since we don't have any project, so what do? You click on this red button with a plus sign. Click on it. So what is the title of what you are creating? Let me use on this particular one, I'm creating tutorial video. Then choose canvas size. So your video, what is it going to be used for? So this is where you choose the size. Is it Facebook? Is it Vimeo, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube? So whichever you want to create, you go for the canvas size. So let's go for Facebook, since everybody uses Facebook. Then you click on create project. It will now take us to Wideo interface, where we can actually create our project. So once you click, this is how it's going to look like. This is the interface. The first button here, this one, when you click on this button, it takes you to where you can easily pick an object that relates to what you want to create. That is an image that will communicate your mind to your audience. So I am creating video tutorial. What should I pick? I don't know why my screen is being very stubborn this moment. Which one should I pick? So you can, if you in case you have downloaded any image before, you can easily create and click on this or this. If you take it to your image files, take you to your image files. Sorry, my screen is really messing up. All right, let me go for this. So the moment you click on it, it will appear on your canvas size screen, as you can see right now. So delay, do you want any delay before this image comes up? If you do not want, then just leave it on 0 seconds. But if you do, you can just move this 13 seconds. That means for 30 seconds that image will not appear. So let's just leave it on 0. Then duration, how long? So how long would determine, the length of your clip will be determined on what you are creating. Is it a 30 seconds clip, 10 seconds clip, 15 seconds, or 60 seconds clip? So we now determine, because remember, you are using different images to communicate your idea, your mind. So definitely you are not going to exhaust the entire seconds, because the duration for each clip is 20. So if you are using 20, it means that probably you are actually using 3 different scenes. So let me leave my 6 seconds. Then size, can easily increase the size or reduce the size. Then elevation has to do with the area you want it to position. So once you are done, just click on the screen for it to disappear. So we want this image to be on this side of the screen, and I want it to come down a bit. Okay. Now the next icon is the T representing type. This one is for you to type. What am I going to type? Click on the screen. So what am I going to type? All right, welcome to animation training. Like me, I like to use the button on my screen to enter, which is the enter key. Click on this enter key. This is this one, because I wouldn't want my write-up to cover my screen. So I'll just click on this enter button, which will enter the next column. Welcome to animation training room. Once you are done, click OK. So it will still ask you, how long do you want this to stay? So since we've already used that duration, let's put it on 8 seconds. Size, okay. Then in case you don't want this font, you can change it from above here. You can as well change the color. Then let's look for other fonts. We have other fonts here. Let me go for this. At the top screen, this alphabet A is for you to choose your font type. Your font style, Then this one is to change the color. But the color is okay. Then percentage, this size, or how you want it to magnify on the screen. So as you can see. So do you want it to align right, left, or centralized? That is all about that. Okay. Then the next thing there, which is this one next to T, when you click on it, is for you to adjust the color. Then in case you want to add background sound, which is this, you click on it, it should take you to either add voiceover, which is this one, or music. So the voiceover, when you click on voiceover, it means you will need to record excuse me, record. Let's try it and see. Hello, welcome to my training room. I would like you to understand that your purpose of being here is to learn. Thank you. So that is all about the voiceover. Then if you want to bring in music, click here to take you to your device, so where you can pick your music from. This is my audio, so but I'm not using anything like right now. Then the next one is the typing and, so you may choose any of the and you want to pick. Let me go for this. So then what other thing again? Then this other one next to the and, when you click on it, is for you to either add a clip. Presently, this is the clip we are working on. So if you want to add a clip now, you just click on this sign plus close to the clip. When you click on it, another one has been added. So you can as well delete. Okay. Then, okay, let me just show you. Once you click on it, it will show the clip you're working on. Once you click on this button, you add. It means that you are going to work on this particular screen now. So what do you do again? You go back to just the same way I have shown you using the first procedure. Then after that, you click on this to play, just like a preview. Remember, it was after 6 seconds that the test came out. So if you don't like it, you can still go back and change it. Just click on the test, then change the duration to this. Let's play and see again. Oh, what did I do? Sorry. The duration is how long you want this thing to play. So okay, let's play it again and see. So it plays each scene at a time. So the first, each scene at a time. The first scene was the image, which you put on it 3 seconds. Then the second is this 3. And the second scene is the welcome to animation training. So if we are to add another thing, it's not going to play them at the same time. The image will appear first before the welcome to animation. After all said and done, once you are satisfied with what you are creating, you just click on this icon. Let me cancel it again, this icon. That is to download before you save. Then tutorial video, render. You wait for it to render. So the time it takes to render is determined by the length of your clip. So it's very, very simple and very easy to do. So you can use it to communicate to your student, your client, work for client, and make your cool money. So what do? After now, you need to save it on your device. You just click on share. So click on share. Where do you want to share it to? For me, I normally make use of where do I normally make use of? So I think it's saved to device, right? Let me try it and see. Save to device. No. I've shared it on my device. So thank you very much for your time and for staying through. If you have any question, do not hesitate to drop it on the training room floor. Have a good day.